Hey guys, Mika here. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute since my last video, but I'm back. I do film in my room and I kind of have like a little corner setup going on here, and my room is upstairs, and as you know, in a house, the higher you go, the hotter it is, and I'm on the top floor, and in my room is like a furnace. Okay, and I just started using my AC not too long ago, so I had to just kind of start getting used to the heat and trying to regulate when I'm gonna film and to cool down my room with the AC so that it gets cool enough where I'm comfortable to turn it off and film. So with that being said, I am back, so I'm gonna try to get on this whole filming kick again and try to get more videos out to you guys. So thank you for coming back to watch another video, and in today's video, if you can't already tell by the title, I'm just going to be doing my face today with a couple of goodies that I picked up from Marshalls. If you guys don't know, Marshalls actually sells some really good luxury brand products, like makeup wise, and they might not be like the newest thing. I think what they put in stores are items that are like older collections, but nevertheless they still offer them at a deeply discounted rate. So I'm very grateful for like stores like Marshalls and TJ Maxx, because they will always hook you up. Oh, and if you guys kind of noticed something weird about my earrings, yes, I'm wearing two different earrings. Don't ask. Okay. Now Marshalls does carry a lot of eyeshadow palettes. They have a lot of BH Cosmetics palettes. I've seen a couple of Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, Makeup Revolution, Profusion. They have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, and they even had the first It's My Ray Ray and BH Cosmetics collab, that very first palette. They had that there as well, and I think that was like $14, $15. I mean, come on. So this is a palette that I picked up at Marshalls, and this is BH Cosmetics, as I said, and this is the Royal Affair palette. Now I've never really heard of this palette, but I picked it up because it's got a lot of nice colors in here. We've got some jewel tones. I thought it was a very cute palette, and it's something that I feel you can transition from day to night. We got some pretty unique colors in here, like this lime green color. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a nice shimmery lime green color. We've got this really pale blue right here, a nice sparkly silver. Yeah, I think these are like really unique colors, and I just thought it was something simple. And this palette, how much was this? Now I don't know how much they go for on the website. Like I said, I haven't really heard about this particular palette. I picked this up for $6.99. Now next up we have another collaboration, which is definitely old. So like I said, we are seeing a lot of the older collections that come into Marshalls and like TJ Maxx. So this is the Becca and Chrissy Teigen collection. So in this kit here we have a what's in here? We have a lip souffle in red velvet, we have a glow souffle eyeshadow and highlighter duo, and then we also have a glow powder in cinnamon sugar. And in this packaging here we have mini lip glosses, and these are the lip icing glow gloss kit, and it comes with 4 lip glosses. There are 2 in here right now. There's one I have right here, and there's a 4th one somewhere. They're super cute, really tiny for on-the-go travel, and yeah. So this one I have opened because, like I said, I've taken out one of them to use. This one I have not tried yet, so I'm excited to see what these are all about. All right, and last but not least, I have 2 concealers, and these are by Becca. They are the Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer, and I got them in 2 shades. I got them in dark golden and deep bronze. Now on myself, I think I would probably just use these as color correcting, because if you can see, you know, if you can see that, this one right here is a little bit on the, almost poke myself in the eye. This one is a little bit more on the like orangey side, and this one is a little bit cooler. So yeah, so that is all. How much was this? Both of these concealers were $5.50 each on sale. Don't know what they were regularly, but still $5.50 is a steal. I'm pretty sure if you were to get this from Becca when they first came out, definitely over $20 for sure. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into doing something with my face. I don't know where this look is going, but we will meet somewhere. So real quick, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation off camera because it takes too long and everyone knows what a foundation application looks like. But I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty foundation and apply this all over my face, and I'll be right back. And as you can see, I already have my eyebrows done because that takes me 1.5 million years to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation and I'll be right back. Real quick before I go ahead and apply my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead in with this Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer, and I'm gonna kind of use it to color correct under my eyes, and I'm gonna go in and going in with dark golden because it's a little bit more on the orangey side. Put that under the eyes and just go ahead and blend it out. And as you can see, it does a decent job at color correcting and minimizing the darkness under my eyes, which is just what I wanted. Alright, so now that that's on, we're going to go ahead and apply the foundation. I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit more of the Sacha Buttercup under my eyes, just in case as I do my eyes, if I get any fallout. Alright, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and do something super simple. Don't know what it is yet. I'm going to apply this color. This is like a light brown color right here, which is called Prince, in my crease. And I'm just using this color to slightly warm up the crease. Now going in with this color right here, it's kind of like a light nude, a really light nude, and that's called Emperor. Just tapping into it ever so lightly because I want to go above this brown color Prince, just to kind of blend the two edges together. Just to deepen up the crease a little bit more, I'm going to go in with this deep plum right here, which is called Regal. Going in with a smaller crease brush and just deepening up the outer corner. And just for a pop of color, I'm going to go in with this pink right here, which is called Lady, and apply that in the inner portion of the eye. So that is the pink, and then going back into that Regal on the outer corner just to deepen it up a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with this shimmer right here. I felt like it was like it's like a gold shimmer, but it kind of has like flecks of green, and it being next to this green color, it brings out the green, but I don't know, I just kind of did a swatch and it's a little bit more gold than I expected, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm just going to go ahead and line my waterline with this black Essence eyeliner. First of all, that was one swipe. I love this. And then going in with that same purple that I used on the outer corner, I'm gonna go into Regal and just smoke out the bottom lash line. For blush, I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a blush trio. This is the shade Peachy Love. Just gonna run it across all of them. You guys, I feel like I haven't recorded in so long. I feel like my lighting is all over the place and I don't know what to do. I don't know how to think so. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. The mascara that I like to use is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and this is what I also use for my brows. Just because I like how tiny the wand is. So now I'm going to go in with the Becca and Chrissy Cravings collaboration for the highlight. Which one is the highlighter though? Oh, this is a loose highlighter. This is an eyeshadow and highlighter duo. Oh, it's kind of greasy. What's this? Oh, I don't know what this is. If it's like, is it that old that all this stuff is like, I don't know, but there's something oily and just greasy coming out of this, and it's kind of gross. What is this? So this is cinnamon churro, but it looks like this is a jelly. That's probably why it's so oily. This stuff is like, it looks like a jelly highlighter in here. I don't know what this is, but it's a liquid highlighter at the bottom, which is gross. I'm not using that. And then this is the eyeshadow at the top. So what it looks like I'm going to be using is the loose highlighter. So going in with this loose highlighter, this is in the shade Cinnamon Sugar. Ooh, that's a lot. Let's see what this looks like. That's pretty. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set my entire face with this Morphe setting spray, and then I'm gonna apply some lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply these they're faux mink lashes. This is by this is by Kiss Lash Couture, and this is in the style Jubilee. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that, and I'll be back with the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final look using all the products that I picked up from Marshalls. I have to say I'm pretty pleased with everything that I picked up. Oh, I did forget to mention something in the video. On my lips, as you can see, I did use the lipstick from the Becca and Chrissy collaboration, but on top of it I also used the gloss. And yeah, but this is by the brand Lipstick Queen. Lipstick Queen is I feel like they're known for their mood lipsticks. I think that's what it is. It's like their mood color changing lipsticks. But yeah, I picked this up, and this is it's like a really light chocolatey cocoa mocha kind of brown lip gloss, and it has like shimmer in it, and this is in the color Countess of Cocoa. So really quickly, the lip souffle from the Becca and Chrissy Teigen collab, this is in the color Red Velvet, which I don't get why it's called Red Velvet because it's not red to me. but this is what that looks like. It's kind of like a neutral, it's like a, kind of has like a nudie pink vibe to it. So that's what that looks like, and it's not a matte lipstick. It's like a souffle is what it's called, but it's a very light whipped lip color. And then this is what the lip gloss looks like. I hope you can see that there, but this is the gloss right here. It's like a nice mocha chocolatey brown vibe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. What are your thoughts on buying luxury brands from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, anything like that? Or have you done it? Have you never even tried it? Have you never even heard of it? Let me know. Also, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join this little but growing family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.